Oh. This sucks.
Why'd you just knife him? No, not you. The other guy. That guy came up and knifed him.
Oh, okay. Oh, I hate the hiccups.
Oh, let's watch something, please. Oh,
God. Hiccups, hiccups, hiccups. What are you doing?
Oh, but they give me a laser pointer. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Trying to get a weapon so I can kill these fags. They keep killing us. Obviously.
Why don't you just take a turn?
That's what Scotty said.
Come on, it's true. Why don't you just take a turn?
Okay.
Scotty, keep it down.
You have 92, dude. I have 9.
Well, that was easy.
I know, it's annoying.
There's only one loose head now.
Wow, he was going to kill her, huh?
Yeah.
He really was. He didn't care, huh?
No.
Public transportation.
You came back.
You were right, Roger.
No.
I never should have left. Whoa, I thought you were dead. My death was greatly exaggerated. So, you're the punk I've heard about.
Knock it off. Stop.
How long have I had this?
Wow.
I did the best I could.
Cameron! No!
I'm proud of you.
Wow!
Opinion?
Wow!
Surprise.
Oh.
He's the real hero.
Never mind.
Going somewhere?
Someone's at Auntie's, that's why he's growling. Okay. Oh, God. Who would be at Auntie's asleep?
No, not the face, man. Please. You know what's good for you, Tiger. You'll stay out of atrocity. You got it. For good.
Want him to die? Give me a watch.
Pretty sneaky, sis. There's only one person I know who calls this town atrocity.
Oh, God, I thought they were gone.
Hey, you think it's really funny, huh? Let's all laugh at the cool guy, huh? You're not gonna be laughing for long.
There it is.
I've had these for like 11 minutes now.
Bringing this up now?
I did look back.
You did?
Yes. And you should look back right now.
Oh, I get it.
I get it. I'm sorry, I know these hiccups are annoying.
The last time you make a fool out of me. I made you a hero. You did the fool thing all by yourself. You're so pathetic. No matter what side you're on,
What's she gonna hit him with?
always the loser. There's a benefit to losing. You get to learn from your mistakes. Oh, you've got to be kidding!
It's warming up.
I will kill you.
Scott laughed at that too.
Because it's funny.
So,
Oh.
Oh, yeah, that's right.